Today we are going to review the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026. These printers range from beginner-friendly machines to advanced multicolor and industrial-level systems designed for fast printing, high precision, and professional quality results. We will start from the best 3D printer at number 1 and go down to number 5, so stay until the end to see which one is actually worth buying. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Creality K2 Plus Combo 2026 Multicolor 3D Printer. The Creality K2 Plus Combo 2026, one of the most advanced consumer 3D printers currently available. It supports up to 16 color printing using the CFS system, offers printing speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, and includes auto-leveling, dual AI cameras, and an upgraded hot end with a spare nozzle kit. This printer is designed for serious makers, professionals, and advanced hobbyists who want maximum capability. The biggest highlight is multicolor printing support, allowing complex and detailed models without manual filament changes. The speed is also extremely high for a high-end printer, making it suitable for production-level workflows. With AI cameras and auto-calibration, it reduces manual setup and improves print success rates. Pros: supports up to 16 color printing. Very fast, up to 600 millimeters per second. Dual AI cameras for monitoring. Auto-leveling system. Strong upgrade ecosystem and accessories. Cons: expensive compared to beginner models. Complex for first-time users. Requires maintenance for best performance. Number 2. Flashforge AD5X Multi-Material 3D Printer. The Flashforge AD5X is a multi-material 3D printer designed for productivity and creative printing. It supports 4-color printing, ultra-fast speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, full auto-calibration, filament backup system, and one-click printing functionality. This printer is built for users who want a balance between speed, automation, and creative flexibility. The multicolor system allows more detailed and professional-looking prints, while the filament backup system ensures uninterrupted printing jobs. It is also very beginner-friendly due to its automatic calibration and simple operation. Pros: multi-material and 4-color printing. Fast 600 millimeters per second printing speed. Full auto calibration. Filament backup system. Easy one-click printing. Cons: slightly expensive for beginners. Limited ecosystem compared to Creality. Learning curve for multi-material printing. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra X Multicolor Printer. The Anycubic Kobra X is a fast and intelligent multicolor printer designed for families, beginners, and professionals. It supports native 4-color printing with up to 19 color combinations, speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, AI camera monitoring, quiet operation at around 45 decibels, and a 260 millimeter build volume. This is a very balanced printer that focuses on speed, usability, and smart features. The AI camera helps monitor prints in real time, reducing failed prints. It is also relatively quiet, making it suitable for home use. Pros: multicolor printing support, up to 19 combinations. Fast 600 millimeters per second printing speed. AI camera monitoring. Quiet operation, 45 decibels. Good for beginners and professionals. Cons: multicolor setup can be complex. Not as premium as Creality flagship. Requires tuning for best results. Number 4. Reflex RS Turbo Resin 3D Printer. The Reflex RS Turbo is a high-precision resin 3D printer designed for industrial-level accuracy. It features an ultra-high precision of plus or minus 2 microns, fast 4.5 seconds per layer printing speed, auto-leveling, and a strong C5 industrial-grade Z-axis system. This printer is focused on extreme precision rather than speed or size.
It is ideal for engineering parts, miniatures, dental models, and high-detail prototypes. The resin system allows extremely smooth surfaces and fine detail that FDM printers cannot match. Pros: ultra-high precision, plus or minus 2 microns. Very fast resin printing speed. Industrial-grade Z-axis system. Ideal for miniatures and prototypes. Auto-leveling system. Cons: resin handling requires care and safety. Smaller build volume. Post-processing required. Number 5. Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro 3D Printer. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is a reliable and beginner-friendly FDM 3D printer. It comes with auto-leveling, direct drive extruder, PEI flexible build plate, and a decent build volume of 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches. This is one of the best entry-level 3D printers for beginners who want a simple setup and reliable performance. The direct drive extruder improves filament control, and auto-leveling makes setup very easy. It is perfect for learning, prototyping, and basic creative printing. Pros: beginner-friendly setup, auto-leveling system, direct drive extruder, flexible PEI build plate, stable and reliable printing. Cons: no multicolor printing, slower compared to high-end models, basic feature set. That was our top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. If you want the most advanced option, the Creality K2 Plus combo clearly stands at the top with its multicolor capability and high-speed performance. For a balance of speed and smart features, the Anycubic Kobra X and Flashforge AD5X are excellent choices. If you need extreme precision, the Reflex RS Turbo Resin printer is the best option. And for beginners, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is the safest and most affordable entry point. At the end, your choice depends on whether you want speed, color printing, precision, or simplicity.